the table represents a function. So we know that a function is a relation in which each input has exactly one output. The relation above, the one we're looking at here, is a function. So we're going to use a number from below to complete the function. So because we know that each input has exactly one output, we're not going to use numbers again that have already been used. So this 2, 4, 8, and 10 have already been inputs that are used, and so they're not going to be allowed to be used for our answer. So we can just cross out 2, 4, 8, 10. So we can actually put in either -8 or 5. Either of those is correct, because those are different inputs from what already is listed. Remember, your X values are your inputs. So that's basically it. Your answers could be -8 or 5 based on what they give you here.